Hello real estate agency owners, do you also use 99 acres, housing.com, Magic Bricks and platforms like these to get the details of your own leads? And do you also find it a task to organize these leads? Then I have a very good strategy and a workflow for you. Using my automation, you can also organize all of these leads better. And I have tested it for my own business too. So grab your laptops and follow me through the screen and watch this video till the end to learn this process step by step. Welcome to my screen everyone. Without wasting any time, let's build this automation. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser. It is going to open the landing page of Pabbly Connect where you're going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, click on this sign in. After you click on this sign in, go to this Pabbly Connect and click on this access now. Once you click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard. Click on this create workflow. Select the workflow builder, the new or the classic. So the new workflow builder is modern, fast and flexible, and the classic is stable and familiar. So I'm going to select the new workflow builder. I'm going to enter the workflow name and select the folder in which I want to save my workflow. So over here you can create folders by going towards this create new folder button. After entering this workflow name and selecting the folder, click on this create and the workflow builder is going to get opened. This is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for the application using which we are collecting the lead details. Today I'm going to use 99 acres as the example application, but you can also use housing.com or Magic Bricks too. Pabbly supports both of them. Further in this video, I'll show you how you can use housing.com and Magic Bricks. First, I'm going to create this automation using 99 acres. So I'm going to select the application as 99 acres. For the event, I'm going to select new leads and click on this connect. We have received this webhook URL, so copy this webhook URL. After copying this webhook URL, you have to configure it in your 99 acres account. And to configure this, you have to reach out to your account manager from 99 acres and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account because 99 acre portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out your point of contact from 99 acres and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Same goes for housing.com and Magic Bricks too. After they add this webhook URL in your account, automatically you're going to receive this webhook response, which is the details of the lead. Once you receive the details of the lead, the workflow is going to get triggered and automatically the lead details will be added in Google Sheets. Alright, I have already added this webhook URL in my account, so I'm going to capture the lead details. And you're going to see that we have successfully captured the lead details. Now I'm going to add these lead details into my Google Sheets. So to do this, let's close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, you have to select add new row and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to build this connection. Pabbly is going to ask for some permissions, so click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions. It is asking for your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now we have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet in which we want to add the details. So the name of my spreadsheet is real estate leads and the sheet is sheet 1. Now one by one I'm going to add all of these details, but we are not going to add the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So yes, you can see that I've successfully mapped all of these details, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. We have received the positive response. Alright, so let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details of the lead has been added over here. The name, the email, the phone number, the area and the requirement is exactly the same which we received right over here from our 99 acres 1 minute ago. And now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from 99 acres, automatically the lead details will be added in my Google Sheets. Not only for 99 acres, I've created this automation for housing.com and Magic Bricks too. You can also create this. The process is exactly the same, just you have to add the web URL in your housing.com in this case and in your Magic Bricks account in this case. The automation is very easy. The Sheets connection is the same, only the web URL platform will differ. Otherwise, each of the detail is exactly the same. And once you receive the lead details right over here in your Google Sheets, it will be very easy for your sales team to track the leads and nurture them. So yes, now not only for this particular lead, whenever you're going to receive a new lead from any of these platforms, automatically the details will be added into your Google Sheets and you can just sit back and relax. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. My team is going to solve your query. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, try this workflow. I'm going to attach the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. Go and try this right now. Thank you for watching.